welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing the Fabfitfun winter season unboxing. So I am very excited. This box has been sitting on my desk for a week and I have not opened it. I'm very excited to open it with you guys. I always do my unboxings on my channel, so the fact that I have been sitting here not knowing what has been inside it for a week has been killing me. So this is what the box looks like. If you are unfamiliar with Fabfitfun boxes, this is a seasonal subscription, so you get it 4 times a year, once in the spring, once in the summer, once in the autumn, and once in the winter. So this is winter 2019's season unboxing, and I'm very, very, very excited to see what we got because I have no idea. So I'm gonna quickly take my thumbnail photo and then I will open the box with you guys. Alright, so it is time to crack open this box. So when I open the box, I'm so excited! You get the first thing, this is what it looks like when you open a Fabfitfun box. So you get a magazine on top with all of the information of what you're getting. Oh my god, I got stuff too! So I got a take a moment for yourself, get started with $15 off your first box. So I can give out somebody, no. I can give somebody this coupon for $15 off of their first box. So if anyone is interested, just leave me a comment down below and I can give you guys a coupon card for, instead of it being like $49.99, I think you're gonna get it for $34.99. So that's really cool. I will put that to the side. And then I got another HelloFresh coupon. I have literally not used these ever, so they've all kind of gone to waste. So I mean, that kind of sucks, but I think I'm gonna give this one away to a friend because I know I'm not gonna use it, and it says on here claim within 30 days and I never do that and they always go to waste. So I'm gonna put that to the side. I really like the fact that we get them. I just don't use a meal service. I just don't do that, so don't need it. So this is the Fabfitfun magazine, and it gives you all of the pricings of the items that could be in your box and all the information on it. So I'm gonna open that and I'm very excited to see what we got. So I'm gonna take off the wrapping. Okay, so this is what my box looks like this month, and so far it's, oh my god. So far it screams skincare, and I am so excited to play with this and see what's in it and what's not. So I'm gonna go to the first thing that I gravitate to, or my eyes have gravitated to, and that is literally, no, we'll leave that one in there for now. We're gonna go to this one. So this is the Caraco Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand Body Wash. So this is awesome. I love Epsom salts, and hand and body wash is awesome because I literally just was about to run out of my body wash that I usually use, so this couldn't come at the perfect time. So let's open it. So it says, a new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses, made with lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. Shea butter? Shea butter? Shea butter? Let's see what it smells like. Probably lavender, I'm assuming. Yeah, it smells like lavender. It smells super good. It smells very much like real lavender, like Epsom salts, kind of a very essential oil, very, very real lavender, and it smells so good. So let me find it on here so I can tell you guys the total cost. So this retails for this retails for $39.95, and this is what the packaging looks like. So up close, this is what it looks like, and it's a really, really gorgeous blue bottle with all of the instructions on the back, and then just a very simple label on the front. And I think it is really cute, and I'm very excited to try it. So I'm going to tally that up into my calculator. That is more of an expensive body wash than I normally would go for, just because I usually go for like $4 body washes from Walmart or Shoppers or wherever. But that one retails for $39.95. So already off to a really good start, considering the box is only like $60, something like that. But that is really awesome. I'm very excited to try it. So it says, calm your senses as you clean with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter, whatever. So the next thing that I see is from the brand LXMI. So this is the Pure Nolitica Melt. So it's a pomade, so nourishing balm to oil. So looks like this. It's a really, really pretty packaging. It says 100% organic, I don't know how to say the word, and heirloom shea nut subspecies that inspired LXMI. Directions: squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Use as an overnight facial mask. I can't speak. Use as an overnight facial mask and throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. So it's like a balm for when you are super, super dry to use it. So that seems really interesting. I really like the packaging. It's really cute. So, oh my god, I got tape on my magazine. So this is LXMI Pure, whatever the word is, I don't know how to say it, Melt. So this 100% organic balm to oil deeply nourishes as it hydrates, brightens, and protects the skin, and it retails for $28. So this is what the packaging looks like up close. It's this really cute green flowery packaging with all the information on the back, and it is 50 grams of product, so 1.67 of an ounce. So we are already at $67.95, and that is amazing. So the next thing that I see is a Havana, or Ahava, that's that brand. So Ahava Dead Sea Salt. So this is bath salts, and that is insane. I'm so excited to try these out. I needed bath salts because I didn't have anything from Lush as of lately, because I used most of the Halloween collection that I purchased, and now I'm very excited that I have a new brand to try in the bathtub. So I need to find it on this list. Oh, there it is. So this is Ahava, is that how you say that? Salt bag. So immerse yourself in the Dead Sea's healing waters in the comfort of your own bath. This mineral helps ease muscle tension and leaves your skin soft. So it's really cute. It's just like a very standard packaging. It is just a beige packaging with like little blue and black or brown salt all over it, and it's literally just Epsom salts. So it's from the brand Ahava, which is, they are saying this is a Dead Sea salt, and you get, let's see, you get 11 ounces, so that's really cool. Very excited to try this out. I will definitely let you guys know in a future video if I liked it, but that retails for $16, so that's not too bad at all for Epsom salts. So we are at $83.95. So the next thing that I see in here is Face for All face and eye mask set. So we got more masks, guys. That is exciting. So this is natural fiber sheet mask. So kit includes age-defying mask, antioxidant mask, brightening mask, clarifying mask, exfoliating mask, hydrating mask, and renewal eye mask. So you get quite a few masks in here. It looks like this. This is really awesome. So let me see if I can find it on the sheet.
2,000 years later.
There we go. So Face for All face and eye mask set. So from Axion antioxidant and age-defying face mask for a renewing eye mask to the set addresses all of your skin care concerns. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. It's very, very simple. It just has like, almost looks like lavender on it, and it's really cute, and I'm very excited to try this out because, as you guys know from all of my mask videos, I like doing masks and I like skincare, and I'm always very excited when we get skincare products. Plus these masks retail for $42. So it looks like a rainbow inside, and they all look like this. So we get all of these cool masks, and that is very exciting. They all look awesome, and I'm very, very, very interested to see if they work, and I love the color scheme. It literally looks like a rainbow. I think that is so cool. And as you guys know, I love masks, so, oh, there's also a little pamphlet in here that told you about, oh, it's a coupon code if I wanted to get more. That's pretty cool. So that retails for $42, so that is very expensive for masks. So I'm really interested to see if any of those actually do anything, and it's very exciting actually. So the next thing that I see in here is from the brand Pep Rally. So this is a prime and prep detangler. So this is for your hair. As you guys know, I have very curly hair. This is obviously curled myself using a deep waver, but I have really wavy hair and really curly hair, and I'm always looking for products that help combat my curl and combat my wave and help me detangle my hair. So this is really awesome. So this is from the brand Dry Bar, and you get 5 fluid ounces. So let's see if we can find it. So Prep Rally. So Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So this lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamin B and C, and sea berry oil, never heard of that before, to protect your hair against heat up to 450 Fahrenheit and leaves hair soft and conditioned. So that is a heat protector and a detangler. That is awesome, and it's just like this cute little pink spray and looks really adorable, and I'm really excited that it actually is a heat protector as well, because I'm always looking for heat protectors that actually will protect my hair, and that is really exciting. So this retails for $23, so that's not bad at all for hair care, and that is really cute packaging, and I'm very excited to try it. So far, loving this box. This box has been filled with skincare and hair care and just like self-care, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So the next thing that I see is a makeup eraser. So Ease All Makeup with Just Water. So looks like this. It is like a kind of interesting packaging. It's Barbie pink. Let's see if I can find it. Where are you? So this is from the brand Original Pink makeup eraser. So makeup eraser Original Pink. So this retails for $20. I want to see what it looks like. Okay, so it is a cloth, like microfiber cloth that takes off your makeup. So that's really exciting. I was actually looking at the round ones online the other day about purchasing one, and this is really cute. So instead of us using the disposable makeup rounds, we could just use this and then throw it into our washer once we are done. It is really soft, holy crap. So this is $20, and it says from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. So you just get your cloth wet with water and then wash your face, and that's really cool. I love the fact that a lot of more companies are starting to come out with more eco-friendly items and reusable items, and that is really exciting. So it's just a pink cloth. It literally just kind of looks like a face cloth, and it's interesting. I'll definitely try that out. So that retailed for $20, so now we can move on to the next item I see in here. So we are on to the last two items in the box, and so far this box has been amazing. So this is the next item in here. So this is a fluffy, fur-friendly, fresh faux throw. Oh my god, it's so soft. Holy crap. My camera is about to die. Be right back. So 1B, so that is Unhide Little Marshmallow. So stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket. So let's try to open it without wrecking it. I hate that companies have to tape everything. Why would you tape something that has fur on it? Good God. Alright, so this rug, how does this work? Oh my god, this blanket is so soft and so cute. Oh my god, we are very bright. Super cute. It's very soft. It's this beige color, and on the inside it's just as fuzzy as well. It's like really nice material. Fake fur, so super awesome, and I am very excited to sleep with it because I love throws and I love blankets. So this retails for $65, so that's already basically the entire price of this box. So this is really great, and I'm very grateful that I got it in the box this month because that is fantastic. I think we got one last year as well. It wasn't the same company, not the same rug, but we got a throw last year, and I think I gave it to my boyfriend's mom and she really liked it. So the last thing that's in the box is slippers, and that is so adorable. So let's find the slippers. So 2B. So PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. So keep your feet extra cozy and supported in these comfy slippers. So they look like this. They're like a gray color with fur all around them, and oh my god, they are super cute. So I got the size medium to large. I don't believe it gave me an option for sizing. I don't remember if it did, but these are so adorable and they are so soft, and I'm very excited to put them on. So these retail for $45, so that is already very great that we got it in this box because that is very expensive. I probably never would have purchased them had I not got them in the box, just because $45 for slippers is very expensive and very very awesome. So the total of this season's box is $278.95, and I only paid $60 or $70 for this box in Canadian. So that is amazing. I highly recommend getting Fabfitfun if you don't already have it and you aren't already subscribed. It's really, really worth it. You get such amazing items each season and such cool items to try out, especially if you're a YouTuber for more content for your channel, but also it's just awesome in general. I got so much skincare and so much just self-care this season that I am so grateful for Fabfitfun. I am so happy that we got a blanket and we also got slippers. I think that is awesome. This is probably my favorite season so far, being with Fabfitfun. I've been with this subscription box for a year and a half now, and I think this is hands down my favorite. There's been a lot of items in other boxes that I've enjoyed as well, but this box in a whole I think was great. There's not a single item in here that I probably won't use and that I am disappointed in getting. I'm excited for everything that I got, especially those masks. These are so awesome and I'm very excited. So just looking through the box, the total value can range between $211 and $345.99. There is some items in here that I wish I would have gotten. There is a, some other people in their boxes would have gotten a Bando Bluetooth shower speaker, which would have been really great. Some other people will have gotten palettes, a purse, eyelashes, candles, coffee scrub. I wish I had gotten that. That would have been amazing. A color switch, so like a brush cleaner, that would have been really, really amazing for me as well. There's just so many items that you can get in different alterations of this box each season that are amazing, and I'm always so excited for when the payment comes out for Fabfitfun, because that means I know my box is going to be shipping right away and I get super excited. But that was everything that was in my Fabfitfun box. Do you guys have the subscription? Did you guys like your box this season? Are you guys going to sign up for Fabfitfun? I highly recommend it. They are such an awesome seasonal subscription box, especially if you just don't want to get something like BoxyCharm where it's every single month. This is every single season, so once every 3 months, and it's kind of like Christmas 4 times a year. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!